Discover the enchanting world of DIY natural skincare, where every ingredient is a promise of purity and effectiveness. Embrace this journey and unlock the magic that transforms skincare from a chore into a delight. Simple, homemade solutions are not just kind to your skin, but also to your soul, illuminating your natural glow from within. Unveil nature's best-kept secrets, the key to combating dryness, acne, and other common skin woes. Harness the power of the earth's bounty and witness the transformation as your skin finds its balance and vitality. Honey, often found in our kitchens, is a miraculous ingredient in the skincare world. Its natural moisturizing properties leave the skin glowing, proving nature's prowess in nurturing our skin. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of pure honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. You can extract this from an aloe vera leaf. Mix them together until they form a smooth and consistent mixture. If desired, add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to the mixture. Essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil can provide additional benefits for your skin and add a pleasant scent to the cleanser. Once all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, your honey and aloe face cleanser is ready to use. This gentle cleanser is suitable for most skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. The avocado, a humble fruit, holds the secret to soft, nourished skin. Its natural oils and nutrients work effortlessly to revitalize our skin, embodying nature's gentle touch in skincare. Start by cutting 1/2 ripe avocado in a bowl and taking 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, optional for additional soothing and moisturizing. Mix all ingredients together until you have a smooth and creamy consistency. Once your mask is well mixed, it's ready to apply. Relax and leave the mask on for about 10-15 minutes. After that, rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. This avocado face mask is suitable for most skin types, especially dry or dull skin in need of a boost of hydration. Use it once or twice a week for soft, supple, and glowing skin. This avocado face mask is suitable for most skin types, especially dry or dull skin in need of a boost of hydration. Use it once or twice a week for soft, supple, and glowing skin. Coconut oil has emerged as a skincare superhero, offering deep hydration and protection. Its versatility and natural goodness make it an indispensable ally in our quest for healthy skin. Take a small amount of coconut oil, a pea-sized amount for the face, more for larger areas like the body, and warm it up between your palms. Gently massage the coconut oil onto your skin, using upward circular motions until it's fully absorbed. Give the coconut oil some time to absorb into your skin before getting dressed, especially if you're using it on your body. Coconut oil can be quite rich, so you may need to adjust the amount you use based on your skin type. Those with dry skin may benefit from using coconut oil more frequently, while those with oily or acne-prone skin may prefer to use it as an occasional treatment. Rice water, an ancient beauty secret, has the power to bestow radiant, ageless skin. This simple yet potent remedy reflects the wisdom of generations, reminding us of the timeless beauty and simplicity. The antioxidants present in rice water, such as ferulic acid and gamma-oryzanol, can help protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Regular use of rice water may help prevent premature aging and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Rice water has hydrating properties that can help moisturize and soften the skin. It forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated. Rice water contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that may help brighten the skin and improve its overall complexion. It is believed to have a gentle exfoliating effect, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal a more radiant complexion. Simply take a 1/2 cup of rice, rinse 1 to 2 times with water. Add 1 cup of water to the rice and leave it for 30 minutes or overnight. And your rice water toner is ready to use. Begin your journey to radiant, healthy skin today with foolproof DIY natural skincare recipes. This is not just a step towards enhancing your beauty routine. It's a leap into a lifestyle that celebrates authenticity, sustainability, and well-being. Let this journey be a testament to the power of nature and your own ability to harness it, inspiring a transformation that goes beyond skin deep.